to hear you walk in, but while you're here,
Check out some of our new trick shots.
By Johan.
Jake and Bake.
Jay Benz.
I'm Jake and Bake, and this is the Rod Shot.
I'm Johan, and this is the surprise attack.
I'm Jake and Bake, and this is the Big Daddy Steak Dog.
I'm Jake and Bake, and I'm dedicating this shot to the home of Dirty Bird Nation. This is the Hill Shot.
I'm Jay Benz. This is the drive-by. Pop, pop.
I'm Johan, and I heard that Charles Billingsley was guest lecturing today, so we're going to see if we can get a dunk cam on him. I've got a question.
Yeah,
What's your most embarrassing moment as an artist?
most embarrassing moment. You know, I don't think I've ever had an embarrassing moment.
What about that time you got dunked on?
I don't remember ever getting dunked on.
It's been great having you guys back.
Thanks for watching.
Watch out for big things coming from Dirty Bird Nation.
Ouch.
I say ow, Dumbo.